What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day. I know I am, because I'm gonna be showing you guys my new car, my new drift car. So a few months back, you guys know I sold my E36, and I really like that car, but just the offer I got on it was really good, so I had to let it go. So without further ado, this is my new drift car. Alright guys, so this is it. It's a 1995 BMW 325 IS. So basically the same thing that I had before, except this one is an M50, whereas my last one was the M52. So this is actually better for turboing it and stuff like that. People like this intake manifold. They're really hard to come by nowadays. Let me show you guys the interior over here. So it already came with coilovers. What's weird is it only came with coilovers in the front, so I need to get coilovers for the rear, but it already sits pretty low. As you can see, it's already tuck and tire in the rear, which is kind of weird to me, and it looks all stock. If you come in here, it has a Vertex racing steering wheel. Obviously it's the 5-speed. I would never get an automatic. And then it has the all black leather interior, which is really nice. I have that door card over there. As you can see, it's missing it, but I do have it. It has a Drift HQ e-brake extension, and this is a quick release, so that's kind of cool to have, especially down the line when I get bucket seats. I could get in and out of the car without struggling too much. This is basically it, guys. Practically all stock, although it does have a welded diff, which is nice. Came with these, I guess, 5-spoke wheels that aren't too bad, honestly. They don't look like horrible or anything. I'll probably just respray them, clean them up a bit. They'll be great as drift spares. As you can see, they're already about to go, practically all slicks. So yeah, I'm super excited to be able to get another BMW, because I thought that I could never get one again, well, at least not for a decent price when I sold my other one. So yeah, I already got some parts for it. I already have some really cool wheels for it. That video will come up after a few days that you guys see this one. That video is already all made. I kind of got carried away with them, but I'm sure you guys will really enjoy it. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Stay tuned for the progress on this. I'm sure you guys are gonna like it. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Like always, like, comment, and subscribe.